in the course of their everyday life. The ambulance. She was only about 4 and guided the ambulance to the ordinary things. I suppose I was wondering, but they leap to it. But they're
thinking back to the terrible things that have happened this year. Do you remember the Millwall fan? I think it was Roy Lana who stepped in at the London Bridge attacks. Yeah, if he hadn't have stepped in and done what he did, then I'm sure it could have been a lot worse for...
Well spoken. There, and Simon.
Good afternoon, Rachel.
Afternoon, Owen.
Could I start with a consonant, please?
Thank you. Start today with N.
Lovely. And a vowel.
I.
Consonant.
K.
And a vowel.
A.
And a consonant.
G.
And a vowel, please.
O.
Consonant.
T.
Vowel.
E.
And a final consonant, please.
And a final S.
Of course.
Very good.
Start with a consonant, please.
Thank you, Simon. N.
And another.
L.
And a third.
W.
A vowel.
E.
And another.
O.
A consonant.
R.
And another.
P.
A vowel.
I.
And a final vowel.
And a final O.
Line also for 7.
That's as far as it went.
Numbers, please. And 4 small.
You, Kennedy, thank you, Erin. 2 large, 4 little for the first one of the day. And these little ones are 6, 10, 2, another 10, and the large one's 25 and 100. And the target, 635.
By 100 for 600.
6 by 100, 600.
And then added on the 25 and the 10.
Yep, 4, 1 away.
Second, 6, 3, 4.
Leave it with me.
I bet.
Not in a sweatshop over here. If you say 25 plus 2 is 27, 10 plus 10 is 20, times them together for 540, and then add the 100 and take the 6.
A consonant, please.
Thank you, Simon. R.
And another.
L.
And a vowel.
U.
And another.
I.
A consonant.
C.
And another.
V.
And another.
M.
A vowel.
Another U.
And a final vowel, please.
And a final A.
Bad luck.
Bad luck.
Now, John.
Any words would take that up.
Yep.
Vacuum for 6.
Consonant, please.
Thank you, Owen. S.
And a vowel.
E.
And a consonant.
T.
And a vowel.
O.
And a consonant.
Y.
And a vowel.
E.
And a consonant.
S.
And a vowel.
O.
And the final consonant.
And a final F.
32.
And 5 small, please, Rachel.
Thank you, Simon. Just 1 from the top row, 5 from the others. And this time around, your little ones are 7, 10, 6, 1, and 4. And the big one, 100. And the target, 736.
The 100 and added on 6.
106.
Yep. Then multiply that by 7 for 742.
Yep.
At that point, subtract 10.
732.
And then add on the final 6. No, sorry, I've used the 6 twice. Sorry.
Times 100.
700.
And then 4 times 10.
40.
Add that on and take off 1.
Yep. And you're 3 away.
Sure. 736.
Well, it was just the 4 there you needed to add on, and you get bang on, so that's bad.
Consonant, please, Rachel.
Thank you, Owen. D.
And follow up with a vowel.
E.
Then a consonant.
N.
Then. And a vowel.
A.
A consonant.
T.
Vowel.
E.
And a consonant.
M.
Vowel, please.
A.
And then a final consonant.
And a final L.
And John.
emanated.
Emanated.
Yes. Emanate.
And please.
Thank you, Simon. R.
And another.
P.
And a vowel.
I.
And another.
O.
A vowel.
E.
A consonant.
Q.
And another.
P.
Another.
R.
And I'll finish with a vowel, please.
And finish with U.
Excellent.
Yes.
Excellent.
Why not? 1 point behind, 6 little ones. Let's see if it's a good decision. Thank you, Owen. These 6 smalls are 10, 4, 7, 9, another 7 and another 4. And the target, 449.
7 over 7 for a 1.
Yep.
Add that onto the 4 for a 5. And then multiply by 10 and then by 9.
And yep, 1 away, 450.
And it's 49.
49,
Minus 4. And
45.
times 10.
Yeah, and again. 1 away.
Please.
Yes, a couple of ways for this one. You could have said 9 times 4 is 36. Add the other 4 for 40. Times that by 10 for 400. And then you have the 2 7s left over for 49 and 449.
Fabulous. A consonant, please, Rachel.
Thank you, Simon. S.
And another.
L.
And a third.
M.
A vowel.
E.
And another.
I.
A consonant.
S.
And another.
R.
A vowel.
U.
And a consonant, please.
And the last one, another S.
Gives you your lead. All right. Susie, that's it?
Yeah, good 8.
Surmises. All right.
Consonant, please, Rachel.
Thank you, Owen. L.
And vowel.
E.
Consonant.
S.
And a vowel.
A.
Consonant.
P.
Vowel.
I.
And a consonant.
G.
And a vowel.
A.
And final consonant, please.
And lastly, T. About that.
Yes, John.
Also spatial.
Very good. 50.
Thank you, Simon. X.
And a better one, please.
L.
And another.
F.
A vowel.
E.
And another.
I.
A consonant.
T.
And another.
D.
And a vowel.
A.
And a final vowel, please.
And a final E.
Now, John and Susie.
Or do we too often the telefax?
All right.
Consonant, please.
Thank you, Owen. S.
And a vowel.
I.
Consonant.
R.
And a vowel.
A.
Consonant.
C.
And a vowel.
E.
Consonant.
S.
And a vowel.
O.
And a final consonant, please.
And a final H.
Let us game, getting to the end of the day.
Rachel.
6 more. Thank you, Simon. And potentially a crucial conundrum. We shall see. This final numbers game is 5, 7, 6, 3, 2, and 4. And the target, 884.
Got 5 plus 2 for 7.
5 plus 2 for 7,
Multiply that by 3.
21,
Multiply that by 6.
is 126.
Yeah. And then multiply that by the actual 7.
And multiply that by 7 for 882.
Only two, I'm sure. Rachel, possible?
Yes, if you say 6 times 5 is 30, plus 2 is 32, times it by 7 for 224, take away the 3 for 221, and times it by 4.
Fabulous, yeah. Yesterday was
Yeah, I prefer these close contests. Couple of numbers game gambles gives me something to do.
never let us down, never. See you tomorrow.
Find our webpage at channel4.com/countdown.